The Bold Subscriptions app is a really powerful tool right out of the box.
Bold Subscriptions allows any merchant to create an online recurring revenue business.
Our subscription app has a lot of different uses. Recurring billings, prepaid subscriptions, you've got build-a-boxes, meal plans, mystery boxes.
And also gives a lot of flexibility to your customers as well to choose their own intervals for any type of subscription that you want to offer.
My name's Ryan McDermott, and I'm a business development manager at Bold Commerce.
My name is JP Tatro. I am a product manager with Bold Commerce.
My name is Leanne Lucas, and my position here at Bold is an account manager on our Bold Subscriptions client success team.
I think merchants are really surprised to learn that Bold Subscriptions isn't just a one-size-fits-all, take-it-or-leave-it kind of a solution. It's just the idea that you can do a lot with it. It's got the flexibility to work with different styles of business model.
Within minutes of having the software installed, they can have a subscription up and running and they can be selling in no time.
What sets Bold's subscription app apart from others is the ease of use, how there's so much functionality right out of the box, and then just how powerful those features are.
The one thing that I'm always amazed about is the number of features and the amount of flexibility and the amount of power that's behind Bold Subscriptions.
We have things like excellent analytics. We allow you to have data exports that are really powerful, but we also offer great tools for your customers as well through our managed subscription portal. So they have a lot of flexibility managing their own subscriptions.
Every week I hear of another merchant setting up a store in a unique and a really powerful way.
The great thing about Bold Subscription app is you can actually customize what the recurring billing looks like per customer. So you can really give them a lot of flexibility.
You can offer a fixed order interval where you as the merchant are deciding how often a product will ship. A good example of that would be a subscription box that ships monthly. You can also offer flexible intervals, so your customers have the ability to choose how often they want to receive the product.
They can change the frequency of their payment, what products they're getting.
A good example of that would be a bag of coffee, where the customer is able to choose their own order interval right on the product page as they purchase.
The Bold Subscription app has a really cool product swap feature. What that really means is if your customer signs on for one product to subscribe to on your store and then they decide that they want to change to something else.
Let's say someone is subscribed to a chocolate flavor protein bar. After a while they get kind of bored of it, they want to try something else. A nice way to stop them from canceling is giving them the ability to actually swap their flavor to something else.
It's not a messy situation of them having to cancel out their subscription, resubscribing to a new product. Let's let them swap it for what they want. My favorite aspect of Bold Subscriptions, and I actually worked very closely with the first merchant that ever requested it and helped us kind of build it out, is actually more of the meal planning component. The idea that you can sign up for a meal plan, X number of meals, X number of dollars, and then the customers can come back in every week and tailor what they're going to get for that next coming shipment based on the menu items that are available. I think that was a real game changer for our subscription app.
So my favorite feature of Bold Subscriptions is a newer feature that's coming out soon called SKU Swapper, which essentially allows a merchant to customize and randomize the products that go into a box every month. No client is too big or too small.
We've got a lot of ma and pa style shops that are just starting out. Then we've got a lot of enterprise users that are also using it, and they've got tens of thousands of clients. Our
app is so flexible that it offers many different features that merchants big or small can take advantage of. Some common feedback that I hear from merchants about Bold Subscriptions is how powerful it is right out of the box.
People love the power behind it, the analytics that we provide, the functionality that they get right out of the box, as well as the ability to customize it.
So a lot of merchants are surprised how many features are there and they're not having to pay extra for them. Our client success team here at Bold supports not just our Bold Subscriptions app, but all of our other Bold apps as well.
We've got the largest team over in our client success department. They'll help from everything from migrating over to our subscription app from a different service.
We offer live chat support via email. We also have dedicated phone call slots that you can book with our product specialists.
They'll give you some tips and pointers on what the best practices are.
We also have account managers who live and breathe the apps that they specialize in.
And then ultimately, we've got a custom projects team that would love to help make sure that you've got it fine-tuned to exactly what you need for your site.
Success story that I think is inspiring and one that I'm really proud of is a merchant that came to us with a plan for a subscription model but wasn't quite sure how to execute it.
Once they worked out the details and we started offering it on their site, it was a whole new revenue stream that came in for them, became a super important piece to their business.
We were able to help them get the app up and running in a number of days, including some customizations we did for them, and now they're absolutely killing it on social media and building a real, true subscription brand.
If you're looking to move on to Bold subscriptions, it's super easy.
We can absolutely help merchants move from another platform onto Bold subscriptions without having any of their active subscribers miss a subscription cycle. We want to make sure that our merchants feel supported through the process and that the transition is as seamless as possible for your customers. And in some cases, we've been able to wrap up the whole import process in a matter of days.
I'm always happy to hear about clients growing with Bold subscriptions. We love your feedback and we'll continue to work on features that are the most important to you. If you have a custom need, talk to us.
So if you have a specific request or question about something that you think Bold Subscriptions app doesn't do, feel free to ask us. There's a good chance that it already does that and our client success team can show you how to do it. But if not, we also have our professional services department here at Bold.
We've got a great custom projects team that can help build that custom solution for your site, and excellent managed services team that can really help optimize that to make sure that you're getting the most out of our app.
I have yet to encounter a single project that our professional services team has not been able to complete.
They're able to work on customizations large and small for all different types of stores and different features. We also have a dedicated development team as well, and we can get whatever you need done.